go! Let's go! There we go.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP. I'm back again.
Oh, nailed it.
I'll catch you guys on the flip side. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP. I'm back again. Got my boy David with me.
What's up?
You guys remember him from the free fishing day. Man, the sun's not even up yet. We're up super early. I tried to shoot yesterday with Eric, fishing for some salmon on the McColmy River. Epic fail. Nothing cool happened, so you guys will never see that footage. Anyways, we are on our way up to Salt Springs Reservoir up in Amador County. I've never been up there, kind of known about that place forever, but heard some epic stuff. I was doing a bunch of research yesterday. I was telling David, saw a bunch of stuff about Bigfoot sightings up in that area, so maybe we'll see a Sasquatch today, you never know. I know this guy's excited. I'm excited. We're gonna try to get into some good trout. There's a bunch of places to fish up there. Bear River Reservoir is right next to it. There's a bunch of creeks, streams right there too, so hopefully we'll get into some trout, try and get this guy on some trout too. We'll see what happens. We got a little bit of a drive, so we'll see you guys when we get to the water. Just a little taste of what the road's like into Salt Springs. One lane road, pretty windy. It was lighter when we were up top on the mountainside, but now we're down in the valley and it's pretty dark down here. Pretty windy. We're less than 8 miles away from the reservoir. Can't wait to get there. Well, we made it. Salt Springs Reservoir. Pretty beautiful, but the winds are freaking kicking down here right now. We're gonna try and find a spot that's somewhat wind protected, but I think with these big cliffs, it just traps the wind in there. It howls right through here like, man, I don't even know what it's like. It's crazy. So we're gonna try and find a spot to fish. If not, the creek that leads out of the dam there's some pretty sweet spots that's probably gonna have some little trout in there. So we're gonna figure it out one way or another.
I feel like I'm gonna have to yell when I'm talking. Pretty big swells right here. First cast, we're going with the Panther Martin. Oh, the wind just took it hecka hard. Oh, this is gonna be brutal. I don't know if this is gonna be possible. If we catch something, it'll be a miracle. You can literally surf on this stuff right now. Oh. Water's coming in hot. My balance off. Dude, we literally just got hit by a gust of wind that moved us. Davey almost got knocked over. I almost got knocked over. This is so sketchy. I had heard this place has high winds, but this is insane. I definitely don't think we're gonna be doing much right here, other than sightseeing. Yeah. Poor little Panther Martin's just getting tossed everywhere. So hard to cast. Oh, he got up. He got up. Hold on, let's get this little guy. He literally hit right at the end. Oh, he's trying to get away. There he is. Look at that little guy. Little tiny baby trout.
Got one.
He literally hit right at the edge right there. Just down from the dam, upper part of the river. A lot less windy right here. A lot calmer water. See if there's some trout stacked up in here. Felt like we were in a hurricane up there in the reservoir. Oh, I see you little guys. I see you little guys. Some little guys following it, yeah. I see you little buggers. They're like kind of right, kind of almost in front of you, but like way out. I see them, two of them just following it like little buggers do. I don't want to find out. New spot location. A lot less windy here. Lake Tabeaud. For my old subscribers, you guys have seen this one before. For my new subscribers, probably haven't seen this one before. This guy was just practicing his golf swing. Yep. Just sending it. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. All right, first cast. Boom. Not very far. This line is so jacked from all the wind over there. Yeah. It's all tangled. It's all good. Only one little guy from Salt Springs. The littlest little guy. The littlest. First cast. No followers. We'll send it again. I'm giving Caltrans one more cast. I've been throwing this dude for like almost an hour now. He ain't got any bites. Starting to get kind of annoyed. Lake Tabeaud is super crickety. Water's down. Looks like at least 10 feet, if not more. Shoot, that's almost 15 to 20. All the fish are probably way out in the middle. I ain't throwing bait out there. Crickets. There we go. Davey picked Bumblebee. See how he does. If I get a bite, even a bite on the first cast, I'm gonna let you pick all my lures from now on. Got that luck. Oh yeah, come on in. Dude's just hovering. Spinning Brodies over here. That's a different helicopter too. The first one I went over was all black and red, remember? Nah, the other one was black. Hold me another drink. Scaring all fish away. So loud! That's so weird. It hovered right over our heads. Coming back. Coming back again. Coming back again. Just trying to fish here, little buddies. Can't even hear myself talk. Supposed to play Mario over here. That's how bad the fishing is.
That's how bad.
Oh, horrible cast. Last cast, horrible one. Kind of sums up our day. It's been crickety.
Crickets. All that bait started been working. What you call it? The lure?
Yep.